Hill Start Assist is this sneaky little feature on the modern Ford F-150 that most folks don't even know is working, until it isn't. It just quietly keeps you from rolling backward on a hill, basically lending you a foot with nerves of steel. The main pain point? The dreaded Hill Start Assist not available message flashing across your dashboard, usually at the exact wrong moment, like when you're stuck at a red light on a ridiculous incline and surrounded by impatient drivers. A lot of drivers panic, thinking it's some catastrophic brake failure about to cost them thousands, but in nearly 70% of cases, it's something minor: a misbehaving sensor, a low battery, or the computer just being its moody self. Step 1. Check your battery voltage. This system is notoriously touchy about battery health. If your battery's producing less than 12.4 volts, Ford's onboard computer gets nervous and temporarily kills the feature for safety's sake. You can easily check the voltage yourself with a cheap $10 voltmeter, or run the vehicle diagnostics through the dashboard if you're feeling techie. If it's low, clean up the battery terminals or replace the battery. Instant fix for a lot of people. The second most common culprit is the brake light switch under your brake pedal. If this little switch isn't sending a clear signal, Hill Start Assist can't do its job, so the computer disables it. 10 minutes and a $20 part swap can solve it. If neither of those fixes it, give your ABS sensors a look. Mud, corrosion, or just the usual Portland road grime, yeah, that's my life too, can knock out sensor readings, and anything that fouls up your wheel speed data will pull the plug on Hill Assist. A quick pro tip: sometimes the system disables itself in extreme cold or after jumping the truck's battery. If that's the case, drive for a bit and restart the engine. You'd be shocked how often just rebooting the system gets everything back online. For the DIY crowd, don't ignore your error codes. A cheap OBD-II scanner is a must-have for any F-150 owner and can instantly tell you if it's a sensor or module acting up, cutting down your guesswork by half, easily. Sometimes it's just a software gremlin. Ford is notorious for releasing updates that quietly fix these bugs but don't advertise it. Call your dealer and ask about any technical service bulletins, TSBs. You might get a free fix out of it. If you're hauling heavy loads or towing, the system is even more prone to tripping. The extra weight changes how the sensors read pressure and movement, so keep that in mind before you freak out next time you see the error. Regular maintenance is boring but necessary. Every 12 months, spend an afternoon on your brakes, sensors, and battery health. I promise it will save you from sitting at the bottom of a nasty Portland hill, sweating bullets while your dash throws a tantrum. The bottom line is this: don't ignore the message, but don't let it ruin your day. Most fixes are cheap and quick, and with some simple checks, you can usually get back to letting your F-150 do the heavy lifting, all without needing a nervous foot on the brake.